Hind everyone. So I got the recommendation from NSB Vizag. So as I was a repeater, so I was aware about the process, how to go through the screening test and easily get screened in. And also like I followed the book, and I had practiced a lot of pictures which gave me confidence to narrate well during my PPDT. And like in my PPDT, I was in the repeaters group and they all dominate a lot, and that happened in my group also. Like we were in my group, 13 were there and 9 were just dominating. They were speaking. We were not able to even discuss the theme of the story. They were just stuck on the what should be the age of the character, as one female character and one boy was there. So I had made the story like he was saying something to that female, and that female had dressed up in a like Muslim attire. So I had named the boy as a Muslim boy, and then like I had started the story. He was studying in Kanpur. He came back to his house, and then he was discussing with his mother. Like his mother was telling him that she want to invest her free time. So he was telling that how she can start the cloud kitchen. Then he helped her in starting all those things. How he advertised it, like told his friends, and then they ordered the food, and then all these things went well. And in the discussion also, 2-3 children were just like they were agreeing to my story, and they wanted to like make my story as the group story. And then I also started like using my story, and one more child was there. He also had written on the same theme, but his like advertisement was better than me. So I was trying to merge those stories, but due to the domination in the group, we were not able to do that. We were just four of us. We were like calming the group that we should discuss, and we four only got screened in. The people who were dominating, none of them got screened in. So I will just say that focus on the story. As a fresher, what I have seen that narration matters the most, and then in GD also you have to like assist the group in coming to a common solution rather than just enforcing your ideas. You have to make a group solution, just assist the group. And as a repeater, what I saw that in GD how you calm the group, that matters the most, and narration also, because in repeaters what I saw that everyone was narrating well, but we four got screened in because we were calming the group. We were like heading towards a common solution. And then in the second day, it was first TAT, and like I had practiced a lot of pictures, like Shishi sir and Colonel Aditya Buddhi Raja sir. They used to tell very important key points during the classes. So what I used to do, like within the class we don't used to note it down in the notebook, but after that when we used to get the break, so I used to note it into my mobile phone. Then at home I used to go and write stories what sir has told. Like Colonel Aditya Buddhi Raja sir has told one time that we should always include some government schemes and focus on how we can benefit our society, and we should show like how we are helping people, including the social development goals, and how we are saving our environment. So initially what I used to do, like I don't used to set any time limit for stories. Like we get 4 minutes, but I used to write in 5 to 6 minutes, so that I can get into the habit of including all these things into my story. And then after that, with time, I started setting up the like time foundation for 4 minutes, and that helped me a lot. And in my SSB, I was writing all the stories in 3 minutes 40 seconds maximum. I was just sitting after writing and thinking about the other things. In my SSB, out of 11 pictures, 2 were from my previous SSB, and 9 I had already seen those pictures. 3 were from the Ranriti book, and also like online also I have seen. Like I had PDFs, and like Buddhi Raja sir and also sir used to show us pictures in which one male, one female character was there, no character was there, or 4 characters will be there. So I used to like collect those types of pictures from internet, and then I used to practice such stories. And also one of my friends, Ayush Yadav, he also got recommended from here. He was in my previous SSB at 33 SSB Bhopal, from where I got conference out. So with him also I used to practice the stories. He also got recommended from. Yes, he had joined. So he used to tell me the ideas that how you can like improve your stories. We used to discuss the themes, and like I had practiced a lot of pictures. Then in VAT, in Raniti book, like 500 words are there, and in 267 words, the solutions are also given. This time also, I tried to make a better words than them. Nearly 260 words were already written with answers, and like they were also from the recommended candidates, so they were good words. So I also tried to make such words, such sentences only. And in SRTs, sir had told some important key points like politely negotiated, tactfully discussed, how, and in Raniti book also, a lot of like various situations are given, how to deal with fire situation, and in some SRTs like 30-40 SRTs, the answers were also given. So I had noted down what sir has told, and then also I followed the answers of the Raniti book. Then I used to make the answers in such a way only. Talking about the GTO, and in GTO also, like the structures which I got in SSB, many were similar from here, because in GTO also, in my group, we 2 were repeaters and 8 were freshers. So due to which I got the chance to show myself in front of repeaters. That was beneficial for me. And also in fresher, one guy was very dominating. Like he had practiced with the CDA candidates, so he was very dominating. And Colonel Amit Srivastava sir, he had told us that if you are in forward or backward also in GTO, you have to just keep saying something like handle the rope carefully, or you have to give the ideas with explanation also. So that only I did in my SSB, because in 3rd and 4th structure I only led the group, because no one was getting the ideas. So what I did, just I had crossed the structures, and I also gave the reasons how we can solve it, the problems. And in the first structure, it was same as the structure of here Centurion. We have to directly put the plank from one structure to another. So it was totally similar. And the tips of Colonel Amit Srivastava sir, that also helped me.
कॉन्फ्रेंस से पहले वर यू कॉन्फिडेंट कि आप रिकमेंड हो जाओगे? पक्का पहले से पता था?
कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद थोड़ा वो गलती कर दिया था कॉन्फ्रेंस में.
हाउ यू आर सो कॉन्फिडेंट बिफोर?
साइक में 11 पिक्चर सेम आ गई, और GTO में मतलब अच्छा गया था पूरा. इंटरव्यू में थोड़ा मेरे से कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी वो बोलते हैं कि हाउ वाज योर इंटरव्यू, जाते ही तो पता चला था इंटरव्यू में कोई गलती हुई है.
ओके, जस्ट शेयर योर 3 लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स once you successfully join Indian Navy through NDA 154 course.
Sir, I would love to lead the ships higher rank तक जाऊँ.
Higher rank? Why not Army? Why not Air Force?
Sir, my father was in the army. So I had seen the lifestyle of army. So I was when I grew up older, so I also got some interest in the Navy, like big ships, and also I got in Visakhapatnam. There also various shows of Navy were organized, so that motivated more, like big ships and all those things.
Okay, सबसे अच्छी बात है कि जब ये नेवी जाएगा तो काफ़ी सारे सीनियर्स वहाँ इसका वेट करेंगे जो सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के स्टूडेंट है. जैसे आयुष यादव बताया ऑलरेडी नेवी गया, 2 गर्ल्स इस बार नेवी गई. अभी प्रिंस बेरीवाल करके बच्चा था, वो नेवी गया झारखंड से. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 30 to 40 स्टूडेंट्स एट नेवल एकेडमी ऑलरेडी दे आर पार्ट ऑफ नेवल एकेडमी, दे आर प्राउड सेंचुरियन.
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस SSB कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द SSB पैनल, फ्री SSB कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट GTO ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगोरस प्रैक्टिस. ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं. प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर ND एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.